This is lesson number 5, Writing Dance. The goal of this week is to learn how to write a dance score. The words of the week are dance score. This is video number 1 of dance project number 5. In this video, we are going to learn the movement alphabet symbols of the week. Today, we are going to learn how to write a dance score. A dance score is a written paper that tells dancers and choreographers what movements or dance steps they should do in a dance. This written paper, this dance score, doesn't use the English language. It doesn't use Spanish or any other language. It uses the language of dance. The language of dance, like all languages, has an alphabet. The movement alphabet. The movement alphabet doesn't use letters like in the English language. It uses symbols. Last week, we began to learn the symbols of the movement alphabet. Before we continue with our lesson for today, let's review what we learned last week. This is the symbol that represents any kind of shape. When we stop in a dance and make a body shape, we can use this symbol to represent that idea. We can use this symbol to represent any kind of body shape: wide, round, narrowed, long, twisted, and angular. Last week, we also learned how to create a notation for a body shape. For a notation, we use the symbol and then we make a drawing of the body shape next to the symbol, like this example that we are seeing here. Now that we remember this first symbol that we learned from the movement alphabet, we are ready for the lesson of the day. Today we are going to learn a few more symbols that are going to allow us to write a dance score. In dance, there are very basic ideas, and the two main basic ideas are action and stillness. When we're moving and taking steps, doing different kind of moves, those are actions that are happening in space. But sometimes in dance, we are also in stillness, very quiet, making a body shape or simply stopping the movement. Those two basic ideas, action and stillness, are represented in the movement alphabet, and we have symbols for those two ideas. Let's discover them. The symbol that represents any kind of action is a straight line with a curvy shape at the bottom. We can use this symbol to represent any kind of action, like running, walking, extending an arm, flexing, or rotating. The symbol that represents stillness is an empty circle with two diagonal lines on top. This symbol is reminding us that in those moments of stillness, there is zero movement. And also with the two lines on top is reminding us that in those moments we might be using a body shape. These two symbols are very important in dance because they represent two basic ideas that are always present in all type of dances. In a dance, we're either moving, taking steps, making moves, or we stop, make a body shape, and remain in stillness. Let's explore these two ideas doing a few movement explorations. Next, you should go to video number 2 of dance project number 5 to do the movement explorations with me.